wonderful viewers. Welcome to Halfring Films, and I'm by the name Eugenia Nana Ama B. Buama Jr., popularly known as Vic. Today, I'm here to interview our cast from Halfring Films. But before that, let's go for a quick commercial break. We shall be right back. Welcome back, viewers. Welcome to my studio, friend.
Thank you.
Your shirt is very nice.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
And I like it.
Okay, after this interview, I'll give it to them.
Okay. Fred. People have been saying Fred. And even me myself, I know Fred. Who is Fred? When you say Fred, who is Fred?
Okay, you say Fred. Say Fred is someone who was born, let's say, at a small town called Mountain.
Yeah. Okay.
Very quiet guy. Somehow he's bad in his own way, but very quiet.
You are very bad.
Sure.
You do.
Sure.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Are you sprayed? We they know back of friend.
So before Semba now I was into this pimping and group skates, small skates.
Okay.
From Jayako Kudia Craft for 1.5 year.
Okay, 1.5 year in Accra.
In Accra. Timmy Baba and I had to go from the director of Afro. When you can say now, we are seeing it.
That's
Saints, yeah. So when he didn't come over, I think that he was with my former director.
Okay.
So when I met me in money so far, just a day. I just it.
Since I only pimp now and Nancy, I was so bad. Halfring Films. Your first time to sit behind the camera. Let's say.
Okay, in Halfring.
Yeah.
Okay. I was so because maybe now a full series meeting. I mean, I was doing only structured skate meeting.
Okay.
Full series meeting. First time I meet full series in Halfring, so I was very excited.
Yeah. So what do you think about your character? The role that you play?
And I really like that role because I just said Bruno would be playing a idea course or kind of say.
It's well sure I know what you're not
a course of serious. Because when I was in Accra, I was even experiencing that. Not know me. I was seeing some friends who were into it.
Okay.
Yeah. So it would be better that would be and the crowd one will be out for
and the crane
serious. I think there was
one person to what that
another.
Who that he said, who ye people some money to send this upon sending the money and everything you betrayed me.
So that's in the movie.
So viewers, the movie is about love, heartbreak, betrayals, and fake life, scamming. Keep on watching Perfect Teen. You will never say bad thing about it or watching that movie. Very interesting. Keep on watching it. So let's go. To ask you this question. Would that me Jesus can free me name?
Say this by and know what's now because I needed money.
You needed money.
Sure.
Next time your bank. After he made music.
This is Cabam.
After he made music.
I can't know.
Make sure me mama kwa botin kwa higher. Oh. The new mind was not a music as well.
I know my account number.
Okay. Me want the account number.
Account number.
Okay. So, like who is your why any power per se with 2 hours with you and not so it is.
Okay. I've been watching this Nigerian guy.
Who is that?
And he's from Perfect Teen.
Okay, Perfect Teen.
Only into acting, though acting a bit. It's more into sound engineering.
Okay, that's and what comment did you get from people outside after acting?
Like I got good comments from them because I did admit, during the school time I was into this drama, debaters club and that stuff. When you saw me there,
school time, those kind of short. What advice are you going to tell the youth?
Okay, so I will tell you that now there are so many friends who are trying to take advantage of what their friends in terms of money. I understand, right? Nowadays they use their friends as like they get into friendship because of money. Yes, because of you should be careful to the person that you are being with. You understand? Be also very careful because the guy I mean, Gene he was my best friend. You understand? Man.
Best friend.
Very best friend. The answer or training crime, and training or pitch. Training, yes. So, we a microphone is there. Nippon on bit inside there. So, be doing money, set your manager on because
I will always mention this man's name, and he will always be my godfather. Like in the way.
Sure.
Someone hit you, pretend they love you now, then behind them try to eliminate you. You see that?
Yeah, it's true.
So that's what you're doing to me and my brother, but it's mostly to my brother's side.
Yeah.
So before you go after betraying me and my brother, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Say it on them, say, appreciate you, Okay, before you go, just say shout out to 5 people who say that.
Okay, I'll first greet my mom, as Florence Essing. I really love her so much. And
Mommy, wherever you are, Fred loves you so much.
My brother, Richmond, is now I think he's doing his master's at KNUST.
Okay.
I really love him too.
Hello, people of KNUST.
Fanboy, I have a friend called Fanboy.
Fine boy.
Yeah. Then also the Starboy.
Starboy.
Prince, sure.
Okay. Starboy.
That's okay.
What about your viewers?
Yeah, I really love them too. Like, I have so many people like they've been commenting about my videos. Apart from doing this, I also do some small videos on beat making and other stuff. So yeah.
Okay.
I have some.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Say something to her before you go.
I don't have a girlfriend.
Why don't you have a girlfriend? I don't I don't have a girlfriend.
It's like what I'm doing now. It's very difficult for me to have a girlfriend. Let me tell you one thing. I say, ladies here, something like Unyawa. Sure, a married something like Unyawa. But say, do a time I don't know if it is that.
But not all ladies are the same.
How would you say we don't the more fine way?
I know, but not all ladies are the same.
See, they will be like, and I won't friend we so only I'm
listen, if a lady refuses to give the boyfriend or the husband a girl, Berman never can cover it. Although who are weird man so Berman come more than you the lady. So someone point. One first can number, how will you go survive at school?
So
Obesha, imagine the pen you must talk to.
See what?
Phones near here with 3 Nina, if you Berman. Although weird, but still you will depend on them.
Sure.
And it's about calling us a be our mom. Ladies, please, let's put a stop to this.
Advise them. That's the main reason why.
Let's put a stop to this. I'm not here to destroy someone's relationship. No. But as far as I'm also a lady, let's give the guys a chance to work. Yentin no brain. TM Momo Quine. No one's uncle brain for Sika and Murphy. Sick of our future. Men can say they be on spending time. Or spending time on no the dear. How will you survive? So please, my dear ladies, let's shine our eyes. Okay. Thank you very much, Fred.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I like your style.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching this interview. But don't forget to go to YouTube, search for Half-Frame Friends, and watch Perfect Things. Don't forget, like it, share, subscribe, and even add comment to it because there are more to come. And this movie is very interesting. Love you all. Bye bye.